In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your favorite ChatGPT AI prompts. This can be a great way to efficiently manage and retrieve the prompts that you find most useful or inspiring. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process of how you can do this easily. First, we are going to start by heading over to Google. Open up your preferred web browser and type Google into the search bar. Then, hit Enter. Once you're on the Google homepage, in the search field, type ChatGPT. This is the OpenAI model that you're familiar with, and various results will appear. Look for the link to the official ChatGPT website and click on it. It should lead you directly to the ChatGPT homepage, where you typically interact with your AI model. On the ChatGPT website, navigate to the Projects section. You should find this option in the menu or the home page itself. When you click on Projects, you're taking the first step towards organizing your prompts in a way that's both convenient and accessible. Next, you'll want to create a new project specifically for saving your favorite prompts. In the Projects section, there should be an option available to type a project name. For example, you might want to name it something straightforward like Favorite Prompt to ensure clarity and ease of access in the future. Once you've named your project, look for the Create Project button. Go ahead and click on that. By doing this, you're setting up a dedicated space where you can neatly file away those prompts you frequently use or find valuable. At this point, with your project set up, it's time to add your favorite prompt. Type the prompt into the designated field within your newly created project. This prompt can be one that you know you'll want to access quickly and efficiently in subsequent visits. After typing your favorite prompt, a Submit button will appear. Click on this to save the prompt into your project. This ensures that it is securely stored and readily accessible whenever you need it. To finalize this process, go to your favorite prompt folder. This can usually be accessed directly from the main project view. Here, you'll find your saved prompt and any others you might choose to add in the future. With this setup, accessing and reusing your favorite prompts becomes a breeze, making your interaction with ChatGPT more productive and enjoyable. Congratulations! You've successfully saved your favorite ChatGPT prompts. Now, anytime you have a go-to prompt, you can retrieve it from your organized folder with ease. Thank you for watching, and happy prompting!